What's up, everybody? I'm Boozey, and if you don't know who I am, we do art and get creative on this channel, so if you like that sort of thing, you should totally stick around. Today, we're going to be doing this video because my cousin got this for Christmas because she thinks I'm 12 years old or something. Just kidding. I am a kid at heart, but she got me this because she knows I love LEDs and she knows my vibe. So I'm super excited to get into this finally because Christmas was how long ago? Get it together, Boozey! But we're going to make this little LED cloud and we're going to hang it somewhere in my art studio, and I'm super excited to get into it. And I also want to let you guys know that I'm wearing my friend Jarie's hat. This is his brand cloak, and if you like it, I am going to drop a link down in the description so you can get you some of this because it's awesome. He also does music, so check out his Spotify and stuff. I'll leave all that in the description as well. But for now, let's get into this video, shall we? What's up, guys? Voiceover Boozey coming at you, and I know it's been a while. Your girl's been working 6 days a week, 2 different jobs, and your girl's been busy. She's trying her best to post once a month at the end of the month, the last Wednesday of every month. I'm trying my best here, but, you know, I've been busy. Let's unbox this stuff. Instructions, stickers, a lantern. This little book shows us everything it came with and the instructions, which is really nice. The glue's inside of this package. Lantern, cotton, all kinds of good stuff in there. Woohoo! A brush, LEDs, a remote, string, and a lantern. Okay, now I'm back because it clearly says includes everything you need. And what's the first freaking thing to do? Use a screwdriver to open the battery case and add 2 AAA batteries that I had to go upstairs in my room and find. Now that we're at that step, let's find a freaking screwdriver. I forgot that too! Okay, got a freaking screwdriver. Let's try this again. Things that should be easy always need to be difficult. You hear me? Let's pop them batteries in there and screw her back up. Now putting the LEDs in, and I'm sorry for the flashing lights and things. I'm going to put a warning on here, because that might hurt some people's eyes, and I don't want to cause anyone harm. And I'll tell you, this little piece is a whole piece of hunk of junk. That little plastic piece on the top ends up breaking off. Spoiler alert! Now I'm just ripping up the cotton too. I opened up the cotton, and this was incredibly frustrating because it wouldn't stay, and there it just popped off. Now I'm rolling these cottons into little balls so I can glue them on. And it was easier just to do this step all in one. So rolling until they're all rolled up and ready to glue. If you're still watching through the video, I appreciate you. I work really hard on these videos when I have the time. Now I'm putting glue on and just placing the cotton down and holding it for a few seconds to make sure it stays. And I know this is a little bit fast. I apologize for that. I just know it gets boring watching stuff sometimes, so I just sped it up. I'm gluing all the cotton on. I said to glue them a little bit apart, so I was following the instructions on that, and yeah. This was pretty fun. I watched the new season of Outer Banks while I did this, so that was cool. Multitasking. And it said to put the string on tight and leave it for 3 hours, so that's what I'm doing here. And it, of course, got tangled because things that should be easy are difficult, of course, for me all the time. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Ooh la la, where'd you get your pretty cloud at? Ooh, I made that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this is the final results. I did miss a few spots here and there where you can still see the lantern. Like here, there's a big giant spot. But that's hopefully going to be an easy fix. I have a bag of stuffing cotton for like stuffed animals, and I'm going to glue it in here and there in the spots that I missed. I don't know if I didn't have enough cotton or if I just rolled too big of like cotton balls to glue on. I don't know if I used too much. I don't know what happened there. But I actually surprisingly had a lot of fun with this video. I mean, it is kind of kiddie and stuff, but it was really fun, and I ended up really liking it, and it looks really cool when it's hanging in my room. I probably should have did the filling in the holes first, but I was just too excited to show you guys the final result because it's just fun and exciting stuff. And it also came with this remote, so I'll hold it up so you can see. It turns on. I can go from red, green, blue, orange, yellow, green, blue, light blue, in between blue, a more purplish blue, a purple, a pink, a white. I can have them fade, which I think this one's probably my favorite. Or I can have it jump, where it jumps from light to light. So it's really, really cool. It also came with these stickers, but I really, really wanted to use the cute little eyes and mouth on it, but I thought it would be kind of too kiddie for my room, so I just kept it the way it is. But you could easily do those stickers and make it look really, really cute too. But if you guys liked today's video, please like and subscribe and come back for some more artsy-fartsy fun. And please make sure to check out my friend Jarie's music and his websites. He does a really good job on all the stuff he does. Thank you so much for watching.